To start, we're going to thinly slice about 7 cloves of garlic, and the garlic is going to be divided. We're going to have 4 large cloves for the salmon and 3 for the spinach. Okay, so inflammation, as we get older, our bodies change. And we often suffer from inflammation due to arthritis and other things. But there's no reason to live in pain. There's steps that we can take to help reduce that. So here we have 7 cloves of garlic thinly sliced. We have 1 pound of salmon. I have a little bit more here because I have something else I have to do. 8 ounces of fresh spinach leaves, already washed. Some spinach, red pepper flakes, lemon, sea salt, black pepper, and olive oil. We're going to start with the spinach. We're going to put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil over a medium heat. Let's get that up to medium. Put the garlic in. Now we're dividing this garlic. Garlic's going in. A little red pepper flakes. About maybe a quarter to a half. It's optional. You know, you don't need that, but I like it. So we'll wait for that to come up to temperature. In the meantime, we're going to need some olive oil in this pan. While that's coming up to temperature, we can throw the garlic into the pan. Okay. About a quarter to a half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. That's optional again. I like it. It adds a little spice to the dish. Okay, and we're going to put that over a medium flame. Now, let's talk about the salmon. Here I have a little over a pound. I don't need all of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this in half because this other half is going to go for another recipe that I'm working on. So this can go here for now. Now the salmon, when you purchase salmon, the fishmongers today, they're not like they used to be. They don't take pride in their work, and it's really hard to find a good fishmonger. When you buy fish, any type of fish, first thing you want to do is look at the color. Make sure it's got nice color, everything is looking fresh. Make sure that the fishmonger scales it. If not, take it home and do it yourself. I mean, I bring the fish home, I wash it, and I do it myself. So, you want to smell it. If it smells fishy, something's fishy about it. Okay, so right here we have 1 pound. What we're going to do is, this is skin on. We're going to divide this into 4 because this serves 4 people. So 4 equal sized pieces. Just slice that like that. What we're going to do is we're going to season these pieces with salt and pepper. And go light on the salt because, you know, this is fish and you don't want to over salt. Okay. That's enough of pepper. Garlic's looking good. Okay. I'm only seasoning one side. Okay. That's looking good. This is looking good. Let's raise the heat on this a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to saute the garlic just until it's lightly browned on both of these. Raise the heat on this one a little bit. Okay. Pans are a little cold this morning, so it's going to take a little while. Okay. In the meantime, let me cut 1 lemon. We're going to cut this into wedges. Okay, this will be for serving. And this we will just cut in half. we will chop some parsley, put that on a rough chop. Doesn't have to be perfect. So as we get older, our bodies change, and we suffer from arthritis, which leads to inflammation, and it's very painful, and there's no reason why we need to suffer every day. And there's steps that we could take to reduce the inflammation. Salmon is an anti-inflammatory. So is the fresh spinach and the garlic. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the salmon and we're going to place it in the pan, skin side up. Now, when you add things to the pan, do not crowd them because they will end up steaming, and that's not what we're going for. Okay, so we're going to allow this here until it's got a nice color on both sides. And when I'm ready to flip it, we will show you the next step. Okay, so as the salmon cooks, the garlic is just about ready here. We're going to go ahead and add the spinach. Okay, we've got an escapee back here. Season the spinach lightly with salt. And we're going to saute this just until it wilts. And that should take about 2 to 3 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to continue searing the salmon, and I will show you the next step. And another escapee. Get back in here. Okay, so the salmon is just cooked through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a squeeze of fresh lemon, a little more lemon. Give that a minute. That's good. Turn that off. We're going to add a little bit of lemon to the spinach. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to plate and serve. Now the fish, you want to cook that to about 130 to 145. I wouldn't go any more. This took about 3 to 5 minutes. So first we're going to take a little bit of spinach, put that down, carefully pick up the salmon, put that over the spinach, and you can go ahead and serve this with a side of rice. Put the lemon on the side, garnish this with a little parsley. Okay, that's looking good. Let me clean the plate. Okay. And there you have it. Now, let me give this a taste. Absolutely delicious. You can't get better than that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and smash that notification bell.